Before generating a report, it's useful to ensure that it would look as expected. For such purposes, there is a feature in Composer Online called Preview, which allows reviewing the results of a customized template and data applied to it. To generate a preview, click on the Generate button in the navigation bar of the editor. Select the required records and press Preview. The report prototype will be opened in the new window. The preview displays the prototype of the future report: PDF for printable templates, embedded email for email templates, landing pages for microsite templates. There can be slight differences between the preview screen and actual PDF file generated for the printable template. The email template is displayed in the email client UI to simulate its display in the real inbox. If something is changed in the template but not in selected records, the preview can be regenerated with the Regenerate button in the navigation bar. If there are other records selected, the new preview should be generated. Full screen toggle allows reviewing the preview in a full screen mode. Zoom button allows to zoom in and out the report prototype while reviewing. In case the preview looks as expected, the report can be generated from this screen.